We have been using PAS-X for more than 10, 12 years. We have a good collaboration, and we are also about to jump on the PAS-X V3 journey where we are extending the collaboration even more.
PAS-X is important, especially for digital transformation in our company. Going paperless is a big deal.
Takeda is a huge worldwide company, and PAS-X is fitting in there. The next step is take it then to the next level from the MES side.
We are going to roll out in the future a lot of sites with only little employees, so that would make it necessary to have it in the cloud.
作为国内疫苗行业 MES 的标杆项目，沃森生物采购了全部 PAS-X Full MES 模块。我很欣赏科尔伯的先进技术，为我司疫苗项目做出了杰出贡献。我们双方已就此达成了长期战略合作。
Well, there's a reason why Körber has a big market share of the electronic software, right? MES in general. And the reason is it's fit for purpose, it's ease of use, its ability to configure and update over time to match your processes.
The relationship with Körber, the responsiveness is really great. So I feel treated very nicely and respectful as a customer. So yeah, it's a good experience.
Our company is a very long customer. We have a journey together for over 20 years.
We have really open lines of communication. Having that honesty and transparency when you're trying to navigate the complexity is very important. It's been very helpful for our collaboration to deliver products that are very important for our goals.